Today we know from number of scientific studies that physical activity, physical exercise is the cheapest medicine, and everybody can do it every day. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the fitness centers, the gyms around the world were closed almost for 2 years. Now people start to be afraid to go to the gyms because of maybe being contaminated by the virus or whatever. But you have to adapt to the situation, and the human race is always adapting to new situations. So do what is the most convenient for you. Go outside, make your physical activity outside. Use your wearable, like I use the Apple Watch, to count my steps, to see how many stairs I did, what is the elevation. And I try to be on the average somewhere around between 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day. So you can consider, if you cannot go to the gym, just use the nature. This is anyway the best, to go to the nature, enjoy the surrounding, watch the trees, watch the flowers, and exercise. From walking to fast walking, to jogging, cycling, whatever you can do. If you are living close to the sea, go to the beach, walk without shoes in the sand, go swimming. I think it is very important that we adapt to that situation and try to do the physical activity wherever we can. This is important. And if you cannot go to the overcrowded gyms, or if you cannot afford to go to the overcrowded gym, go to the nature. And the modern media today offer us so many facilities. You can switch on your computer or your television, get on YouTube, and there are a number of excellent exercise programs you can follow. Just keep in mind, we call it exercise pill. This is 30 minutes of moderate physical activity. Moderate means that you just get with your pulse to 100, 120 per minute. And again, you can control it on your wearable, whatever you are using. So 30 minutes of moderate activity is one exercise pill. One exercise pill, and it has been proven in scientific studies, will significantly improve your health status. Optimal would be 2 a day. 2 exercise pills a day, which would mean 1 hour, preferably in the morning. And aerobic exercise, such as fast walking, running, cycling, swimming, and at the late afternoon, 30 minutes of strength exercise. So that would be, in a nutshell, what I would propose to you based on the experience and in particular scientific evidence.